Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more problems related to coordinate geometry. Now, see, if the distance between 2 points x comma 7, 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. This is some normal problem, if you understand. The distance between 2 points, see, point A is there, it is x comma 7, and B, another point is there, suppose that is 115. The distance between the points, these 2 points given, this value is given 10. AB distance is 10. Find the value of x, this x. That means first you calculate the distance between these 2 points. Already points given. In the form of x there, variable, distance between the 2 points formula, you calculate that distance given 10, so equate that value to 10, then from that equation we will get the x. This is normal direct sum only. Now see, the given points are A x comma 7, B 1 comma 15. Distance or length, distance AB or length is equal to 10. This is given. Now, according to our formula, should write length or distance same, length AB is equal to points, right? X comma 7, 1 comma 15. Take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. According to our formula, that formula is what? Distance between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, this only. In this you substitute these values. x2 is 1 minus x1 is x whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 7 whole square root. Now see, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x means 2x, plus is there, directly write. Here this value is 15 minus 7, 15 minus 7 is 8, 8 square is 64. This is root of. Okay, now x square minus 2x, these two are constants, if you add 65, the root. But given AB is equal to 10. So this AB we calculated this, but given this 10, you equate these two. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 65 root of is equal to 10. So squaring on both sides means x square minus 2x plus 65 root whole square you do, both sides no, 10 also you square do. Now this square root cancel, this becomes x square minus 2x plus 65 only, this is 100, 10 square is 100. Now form equation, x square minus 2x, this is plus 65, this comes to this side, minus 100 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x, minus is big, we know 100 minus 65 is 35 is equal to 0. So what we got? X square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0, we got. If we observe, square is there for x variable, so this is quadratic equation. We know to solve the quadratic equation, we can write it into factors. Here 0 is there, that's why. Then we will get, see, factorize. Otherwise, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root by 2a, that formula is there direct. Anyway, we can do. Factorization formula is simple. 35 is there. We can divide it into 7 into 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. That's why you can write it as minus is big. Minus 7x plus 5x we can write. See, minus 7x plus 5x becomes minus 2x only. The minus 2x only I am expanding like this, because minus 7 plus 5 is anyway minus 2 only. But the product 7 into 5 is 35. So like that we should divide this. Anyway, see, instead of 2x only we wrote this, no change. Minus 2x value, minus 7x plus 5x, if you write also, no change. Anyway, minus 35 is there. This is 0 only. Now, for factorization, already you know in 9th class or 8th class, factorization. Okay. Now, in this x common, here x only there, minus 7. In this 2, 7, in this 5 common, plus 5. Here x is there, minus 7 is there, see, 5x minus, this is 0. Now, this is one term, this is one term. In this term, x minus 7 is common is there. X minus 7 totally common there means here x, here 5 is equal to 0. Two products are 0 means either this or this is 0. When the product of two numbers is 0, if any number is there means it will not be 0. One number 0 only, that product becomes 0, that we know. That's why in this case x minus 7 is 0 or this, not both. No need both. Any one 0 means total 0. So x plus y is 0. If it is from this x is equal to this come to this side, or from this x is equal to come to that side. So therefore x is equal to 7 or minus 5. What he asked? Find the value of x. So the values of x is 7 or minus 5. We want only positive values means then x is equal to 7 you take. Suppose for positive values, distance is positive values. Really means x is 7 or minus 5. We are considering this distances like that means x positive value you want means x is equal to 7. Next, can you draw a triangle with vertices? 3 vertices given. Can you draw a triangle with these vertices? For this, I told for any triangle, if 3 points given, the sides forming by the 3 triangles, if sum of the any 2 sides is equal to third side, then those are in linear. We cannot form triangle. They are in the same line. If they are not satisfied that condition, that means any 2 sides, sum of any 2 sides not equal to third side, then we can draw triangle. Okay. So that's why let a into 1 comma 5, a into not, a 1 comma 5, b 5 comma 8, c 13 comma 14 are the given points. Length AB formed by that point, formed by length AB, okay. Points we not know, length AB, that is points what? AB 1 5 comma 5 8, x1 y1 x2 y2. Length AB we are finding. So formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of only. Substitute these values. X2 is 5 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 8 minus y1 is 5 whole square under root. This is 4 square plus this is 3 square plus 3 only plus 4 only. Now this is 16 plus 9. This is 25. This is equal to 5. Okay. Units. 5 units came. Now length BC, points right, BC 5 8, C point is 13 14, x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root only. Substitute the values. 13 minus x2, x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 14 minus y1 8 whole square root 2. 13 minus 5 is 8 square plus 14 minus 8 is 6 whole square under root 2. 64 plus 36, this is 100, root of 100 that is 10. Root of 100 is that is 10 units. We got 10 units. Now third side ABBC CA. Suppose CA, length CA, length points 13 14 comma A, A is 1 comma 5. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root 2. So substitute the values. X2 is 1 minus 13 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 14 whole square root of. This is minus 12 whole square plus this is 14 minus 9 whole square. 14 minus 5 is 9 whole square, minus is more. Now minus becomes plus only on squaring. This is 144 plus this is 81 because 9 9s are 81 root of 144 plus 81 5 2 225 root of. We know 15 is 225, that's why this value is 15 units. 15 units. Now if you observe, see, this is 5, this is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So sum of these two sides is equal to third side. By the values here, by the values here, what we observed, AB plus BC is equal to AC. That means AB is what? 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So this condition satisfied if the sides forward by any 3 points in that any two sides, sum of any two sides is equal to third side. That condition satisfied means those 3 points are collinear. So many times I said. So collinear means they are lie on the same line. But what he asked, can you draw a triangle with these vertices? They all lie on a straight line. That's why you cannot form. So we cannot form a triangle by these vertices. So that is if AB plus BC is one condition satisfied, otherwise we should check for another condition. So AB plus BC is equal to AC, not only this, BC plus CA is equal to AB or CA plus AB is equal to BC, like that any condition satisfied means no problem. Already this condition satisfied. 3 conditions not satisfied, then only we can draw a triangle. If 3 are there, 3 formations, combinations 3 are there, in that 3 combinations, sum of any two sides not equal to the third side in each case, then it is not a, then we can draw a triangle. Already any one condition satisfied means they are collinear points. We cannot form a triangle with those points. Okay. I hope everyone understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.